It started with rain, cold, relentless. The streets were empty until that laugh echoed. A child's laugh, faint, wet, drifting through the storm. No children live here anymore. He followed the sound, down the alley, past the broken lamp. Footprints, small, barefoot, fresh, leading to nowhere. The streetlights blinked, once, twice, then silence. One by one they went out. In the dark, something moved, just out of sight, and then it giggled, behind him, close, wet breath on his neck. He turned. Nothing, just a puddle, with footprints leading away. But the laugh was still there.